Okay, I think it's 4:20 and it's time. So I don't really want to get off my butt. So let's go. Well, damn it, I do. Forgot to turn on. Okay, power this side. Okay. Oops, wrong side. There. Oh shit. One of these is gonna be called Chip. All right, now back it up. All right. Got your teacups. Got martini if you really want. Keep whatever you want in there. Put in there. You can have your beverage if you're into booze. Or if you're into other stuff. You can even have tea. This thing, I had it out on the wall, playing around for a good long time. Had it in the water. Oh, hit the Puerto Rican. Alright, enough of that play. Show you this little guy here. I got It's got a little gold chain. Geraldo Rivera. Possibly. Oh, they're both together. Who's gonna hit? So you can't drive two of them together. But this one's kind of neat. This one's a little too fast. Turn that one off. Turn this one on. Backwards. You don't go very far. But these little, I got a whole bunch of them. So I got a real good deal on them. Come on, you gonna work? Put the antenna out, that might help. I had a little boy that worked for the people that are doing the siding play with the little yellow car for half hour at least. I got a little water on it, so I didn't want to drive. But those cars are $15 a piece. I now have motors, servos. I can tie, okay, they're all the same. So I can tie them all into whatever device and just have them turned and twisted another way so it looks like I got robot arms working all like together, but it's really just one single push of the button. The batteries come with it. I can buy them for under like $3-4. Okay, you figure battery comes in it, servos, transmitter, backup, all that. It's worth $15 a piece. I'm gonna have neighbors and everything. I gotta have one of those from when. Okay, here you go, and I'll make $5 to $20. They're $15 a piece on clearance. I got two of these things for $15. So I got two Geraldo Riveras. I got silver ones of these. It folds up and can go on water. I tried it. You just don't really want to go around slimy water. It kind of clogs up. And then you can drive it upside down. Here, let's take the good stuff off. Turn that annoying light off. There we go. Now, there, now it can go on water. These little things. And then, see how it goes. See if it'll, oh, a little more. It'll help. Alright. Oh, fuck. So yeah, there's a little bit of fun involved. You just gotta go real slow. Yeah, I had a little boy riding that thing. He was having the day of his life working with his dad. Went looking, can't find the transmitter yet, but I got a wanted poster. So it's gonna come either way. If I gotta sell these and make the money and buy a brand new one, then that's what I gotta do. But either way, it's for $8.50. It's worth parts. And then this thing here, close it up. No, I'll open it up. Flip it over. Some of these I've seen $65. They got a little airsoft rocket they put on it, or a little pump that you can click to the water, turn the water on, but it's all wired. It's like what I would like to do. So if somebody has a scrog net, they can go underneath and water their plant so they don't have to climb underneath. That's one of my goals, is so people that I've been watching start using crappy weird ideas. Or somebody's not going to hurt themselves crawling under their plant and get crushed by their 10-pound marijuana plant. Yeah, it just dies sometimes when the antenna doesn't reach out. You got kill the Puerto Rican motorcycle, whatever he is. Like, why did they? I don't know. But this little thing charges them up. It doesn't work if there's any bumps. But I'm having fun. Oh yeah. What else? What else? What else? Turn this off. I went buying. Looking for lights. There you go. Okay.
To begin song. Come on, everybody. Sing the alphabet song with me. Let's rock. A, B, C,
It's a light display. It was cheap.
H, I, J, K.
Okay, shut up. And then I got my controller. Oh, you don't want to see my chocolate cake. I got my controller for everything. My other projects. I got a big servo.
Press button to begin song.
I don't want to press a button, dude. Get off my back. And then an extra servo, and this will turn something. And this will drive the motor when it gets here. Good, goodbye. And then I'll have that. So, a little bit of problems to work out, but I think it'll work for the weird idea I've had for 20-some years. And then a readjusted idea came up. But I got all parts and pieces I need now. Got these things for $20 a piece, $15. It's worth the money. I'm gonna sell 3 or 4 of them away easy. Not even trying. So it's usually how I work. If I find a good deal, if I want one of something, I'll go buy 10. Like sunglasses, I gotta start doing that. If I like one pair of sunglasses, I gotta go buy 10 of them, because the next time you go need one, they don't have the purple lenses anymore. But, alright. Next video coming up whenever I think of something else. Bye.